May your marriage bring you all the deep joy that a marriage can bring. May you always need one another, not so much to fill your emptiness, as to help you know your fullness. May you want one another, but not out of lack. May you entice, but not compel one another. May you embrace, but not encircle one another. May the years deal gently with you walking together. May you find far more in life than either would have found alone. And may you come to know your love for one another even more fully. As your community, we can wish you nothing greater.
I, Kyle,
Commit myself to you, Holly.
commit myself to you, Holly,
As husband to learn and grow with,
as husband to learn and grow with,
to explore and adventure with,
to explore and adventure with,
to respect you in everything as an equal,
to respect you in everything as an equal,
in the foreknowledge of joy and pain,
in the foreknowledge of joy and pain,
strength and weariness,
strength and weariness,
direction and doubt,
direction and doubt,
for all the risings and settings of the sun.
for all the risings and settings of the sun.
I, Holly,
Commit myself to you, Kyle,
commit myself to you, Kyle,
as wife to learn and grow with,
as wife to learn and grow with,
to explore and adventure with,
to explore and adventure with,
to respect you in everything as an equal,
to respect you in everything as an equal,
in the foreknowledge of joy and pain,
in the foreknowledge of joy and pain,
strength and weariness,
strength and weariness,
direction and doubt,
direction and doubt,
for all the risings and settings of the sun.
for all the risings and settings of the sun.
We look forward to watching you grow together as a couple. Remember, it's not where you've been, it's where you're going. You're much stronger together than apart. Toast to Kyle and Holly. May God continue to bless you each and every day. Love you guys.
Mom and I are so proud of you and the couple that you become and the love that you share. You bring out the best in each other, and it's been such a joy to witness. So please, everybody raise a glass to Kyle and Holly. May your love continue to grow, bloom, and yes, be just like a daffodil.
So enjoy the journey together. Take God with you every day. Thank Him every day for the love you share together and the partner that He brought you together with, and you'll have no problem. Life will. You'll write your book. It'll be a happy ending and all that. So, raise a glass. May Kyle and Holly share many joyous and happy years.
Kyle and Holly, my wish for you is that you navigate life as well as you have navigated the last 5 years. I believe that the two of you can accomplish anything you want together. Kyle, good job. Holly, you had us at hello. Cheers.
I know you're about to embark on this new journey together. If you would have told me 10 years ago I'd be Kyle Hansen's best man, I probably would have said you're insane. But here we are, 10 years later, I'm his best man. So just take one day at a time, and I'm sure life is going to treat you very well, as you have treated my life very well as well. So thank you for allowing me to do this. One of the greatest honors of my life. Thank you.
Holly deserves something special, because Holly is something special. And today, she gets just that. It's not the speech or the delicious food, but it is that wonderful man sitting next to her. May your love keep leading you on the best adventures, big and small, side by side. Cheers.
and by the power vested in me by the Universal Life Church, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Kyle, you may kiss your bride.